Hey everyone, this is Alan with Odyssey Accounting. Today I want to share a little bit about how our firm is different from other accounting firms. We help do your taxes at the end of the year, we'll help with your bookkeeping, we'll give you your financial reports monthly, quarterly, and yearly. But not only that, we'll also help you run your payroll, and we like to call ourselves proactive accountants. And that means that we'll be looking out for you for any tax savings that are potentially out there that you haven't taken advantage of. So tax planning is a very integral part of how we work with all of our clients and really point you in the direction where you can start to have an exponential growth to your business. On average, we're able to save, a business 6K. Now, 6K, putting it back into your back pocket, that can go a long way. If you were to invest that at a 10% rate over 30 years, you'd be a millionaire. I don't know about you, but to me it's pretty significant. I don't know if you've ever heard of Michael Gerber, but he's a very famous author in his very famous book, Game It Revisited. He goes into that as an entrepreneur, you're wearing three different hats. You're wearing the technician hat, which is really being within the operations of your business, running everything, customer service, procuring your final product to your customers. That's the technician aspect. Now, there's also the entrepreneur aspect where you're really concerned about overseeing everything, everything in your business, making sure that you're opening up new markets, your business is growing, you're probably going to be very involved in the sales department of your business, although not necessarily that focused on it as an entrepreneur. And then you're gonna have the other hat, which is the administrator role. The administrator role deals with the accounting and the financial aspect of your business. That's where we come in. You're gonna have to deal with, everything that's concerning the bookkeeping, taxes, tax saving, tax planning, the payroll as well. Now, when you outsource this department to someone like us, what really happens is you're going to be able to step into the things that you do best and leave what you really don't and you're not an expert in to someone else. You're gonna delegate that and you're gonna step into something that's really going to accelerate the business process. Now, really what you ultimately want to end up focusing on is on being the entrepreneur, as Michael Gerber suggests. But the very first step, even in the book, you would see that the very example that he gives is this accountant coming in and where this business person is realizing, oh my God, I've been spending all this time, I've been wasting all this time, things that don't really add a lot to my business, I'm not really an expert in, and I'm really, this is really draining me. And he doesn't realize that until he brings in the accountant and he starts helping them with all that thing, and all kinds of efficiencies are being created by that. Now, just as an example, let's say that you were to bring in someone like a part-time person, 8 hours a week, and you were paying this person $30 an hour to do this work, the administrative hat, let's say. Well, what's going to end up happening is that you're gonna pay, that comes up to 11K a year. You're gonna be paying this person, and this person is probably not gonna be the most qualified person to deal with all this, for your business, and probably not gonna do the best job. It's going to be, also a micromanagement situation where you're just adding another employee and, just having this headache of having someone within your organization that you're having to, chase. But when you outsource this to an outside firm like us, that's where the magic really starts to happen, and you can really begin to step into the entrepreneur and perhaps staying more on the technician aspect where you really belong. If you're interested in this, if you really see how this could really benefit your business, you can go to our website, odysseytaxes.com. You can schedule a one-to-one call with us, and we can figure out if it would really be a good fit for us to work together. Now, perhaps you would take the next step, and then we would schedule a discovery call where we would ask some stuff from you, we would review everything, and really pinpoint the aspects where we could really impact your business, where you would really be able to take advantage of what we could offer, really honing in on your needs and your specific needs for you and for your business. Now, we'll set up a plan for you and we'll give it to you absolutely free. The discovery call is free. A one-to-one session consultation is totally free as well. We would give you a plan that you can use yourself, or you can work with someone else and implement it, or you could, if you end up deciding to work with us, we would take you step by step on implementing that and making everything work in that regard for your business. So again, this is Alan with Odyssey Accounting. Make sure to click on the link below and schedule a one-to-one consultation with us if this is something that you might be interested in.